Hi, I'm Rhett, FEMBA class of 2021. I work for Shopcore Properties, which is Blackstone's open-air retail real estate investment platform, as the director of FP&A. I chose UCLA Anderson for my MBA experience because of the unique opportunity provided by the hybrid program. I knew that I wanted to remain fully engaged in and continue to advance my career, but at the same time, I'd always wanted a fully immersive, on-campus MBA experience. That made the hybrid program a perfect match. I chose GAP for my field study because of the opportunity to work with an international company and to learn an entirely new industry. During GAP, my team and I worked with a Finnish SaaS company that was not just looking to expand its US business, but was looking to do so by developing and launching an entirely new project. As such, one of the more difficult aspects of our job was how to define the scope of our project, adhere to that scope, and at the same time remain open to new facts on the ground as they continued to emerge. Successfully navigating that process built new skills and confidence in both project and client management that I know will pay dividends as my career continues. Having just completed GAP, I'm excited to take forward many learnings into my career, including the newfound realization that no or not right now can be just as valuable an answer when deploying resources as yes or right away, which is something I think that my team at work will especially appreciate when we're navigating which new projects to take on. I'm honored to be selected by the faculty as a Voice of FEMBA for GAP. I hope my story encourages you to explore all that Anderson has to offer.